run. Okay, I would like that. I would like you to go back near the entrance, please, because I need to go back in.
Oh my god.
Open the door. Open the door. Open that goddamn door.
Andrew, we'll live this. We'll live here. We'll live through this together.
Caleb, I have one heart in a dream. I will not let the stream vanquish. I have one heart in a dream. You hear me? One heart in a dream. Let me in. Let me in. I'm gonna die to hunger. If I don't die to zombies, I'm dying to hunger.
Oh god. Andrew, we've made a mistake.
Yeah, we forgot to block up the back entrance.
No, it's... Oh, yeah, we definitely did. Andrew, get inside.
Well,
Slash
you're gonna have to
TP.
lure the zombies away first before you can let me in. Or I can lure the zombies to me, I guess. Hello everyone. I'm building gaming right now. Okay, that is. Oh!
Okay.
I got 12 rotten flesh.
Okay,
I think it's
cool.
better if I just give them to you. Because right now, I'm just gonna go out there and, Hi, how's it going? Okay, that's how close I was to die. Give me back the rotten flesh. It doesn't, I start off with 3.
Yeah, I was gonna say, before you left, we start off with 2 or 3 if we die, so...
Well, it's better now because I don't have to regen the health. So
alright, cool. So, good news, we got silkworms. Oh, we need to make a furnace. Oh god, okay. Okay, how much wood do you have?
10 planks.
No logs?
Do you need logs in particular?
Could use a little more planks.
Okay, I'm gonna see. Let me see what I can play.
Alright, I'm gonna start renovating our ship.
Is the silkworms, they come from leaves, right?
Yes. Oh god, Andrew, I let things in.
Why did you... How? You let this many in? Why are they... Oh, they're going in because you opened the... God dang it, Caleb. Caleb! Why did you do this?
It's fine,
Why?
it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We're okay, we're okay, we're okay, we're okay.
Well, it's fine. Got more rotten flesh out there.
Yeah.
At the expense of half of my health. Huh?
Yo, I was mining the top of the thing, so I forgot there was a pressure plate there. My bad.
Yeah, there's a pressure plate right here. You want to break it for now so we don't step on it?
I was gonna say, let's make a regular door.
Can't they break through regular doors?
Probably, but we'll be fine.
Well, I'm gonna die.
We'll be fine.
Oh, dude. Don't let me die. I'm just. Oh god, that's.
Okay. So I'm just gonna say that we're gonna probably need a panic room if zombies do get in again.
Make a trap door. Make ladders down.
I was gonna say no. I mean, like I was gonna mine out one of the rooms and keep the other one for like more like farming area and whatnot, but I'm also thinking
I think we do need to.
Yeah, we're gonna go down eventually, but for now, let's just survive the night. How about that?
I have a feeling we're gonna need to go outside and get.
Why
more
am I
rotten
slow? What the hell? Do you see
flesh.
this? Do you see a slaw meeting?
Yeah, I don't know. I see you. You lied. So I think during the day we need to go outside, walk up. Why?
Oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god, Andrew. Food source is... There's... nourishment.
There is?
Yeah, if you hover over rotten flesh...
Diminishing returns start after eating any food one pump.
Yeah, I forgot diminishing returns was a thing in this pack.
That's fine. I mean, we just need to make... Okay, that means we need to prioritize food source.
Right,
well, you know.
right. Okay, so we need to get more wood, like, as fast as possible.
So the zombies are on me, I think. Unless there's some on you, so...
I don't see any zombies, so I'm gonna go outside.
They're on this window here, so... Okay, they're falling good.
Andrew, I could use some help.
Give me 1 second to step out. Oh, hi. You know, you can distract them, right? How about you distract them while I go out and get stuff? Or do you just need wood?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get wood. I'll collect more rotten flesh.
I'm gonna lure them into the... I'm luring them into the cactus.
Well, some of them are on me now. That's fine. There's still those things here.
Okay, Andrew, I may have made a mistake. Oh, okay, no, we're good, we're good, we're good.
I'm kind of dealing with all the ones out here, so... Oh, there's a... There we go.
Oh, boy.
We need to block that off. We need to do a lot of things.
Yeah,
we kind of have to take care of this threat right now.
Yeah, I don't think we were ready for nighttime just yet, and yet I decided not to time set day.
Fine, it's not the worst thing. Even though, make do. Okay, so once it's clear, block off the back entrance. You know, with cactus or whatever.
We're gonna need more cactus if that's the case.
Well, I have cactus here. Okay, we'll just I'll block it off here. It's not the cactus.
Did you mistake it for EXP solidified experience?
No, I mistaken the zombie head for it. You have the cactus here. Just place it down.
Oh.
I believe I gave you. Yeah, I gave you all the cactus.
Focus on tree farming. I'll get the cactus stuff done. I'm gonna focus on the cactus and whatnot. So, oh, it's just gone. Okay, there you go. All right, there's a regular door for you because you don't know how to use a button.
Well, I don't know. This game's like.
Oh, actually, here's a mattock. Here's a mattock for you.
Big guy scared me. Ow.
Oh, wait. Don't touch the... Actually, while you're up there, before you mine all the wood, can you...
Oh, get the leaves?
Yeah, with a crook. Here, I'm just gonna make... How many sticks do you have?
40. Here you go, I'm coming inside. Thank God. Hello? I'm not fat. Let me go through this wooden door. So we have a problem here.
Why can't you interact with doors? The hell?
I don't know. Here's your 46.
Here, take the crooks. And here is a crafting station to put outside for you.
You.
Honestly, that might backfire on us, but you know what? That's okay.
What, my backfire now?
I put a pressure plate on the door for you because you don't know how to use doors either.
That is most certainly going to backfire on us. That means if we're ever near the door, they're just going to come swarming in.
Correct, but we also need to probably get torches fast, so...
How about you make a cactus area blocking the door, specifically so they can't, like... So, like, we have
it'll be fine, it'll be fine, we'll be fine, Andrew, don't worry.
I don't think it should be that hard to make it. Okay.
We'll be fine, Andrew, don't worry. We'll be perfectly fine. Just trust in...
I'm telling you, it would make our lives a lot easier. Ooh, apples. Yes.
Ooh, I need apples, please. Oh my god.
I'm gonna spend the entire day mining all the leaves here. I have enough wood. The heck? That just disappeared. I'm gonna collect some sand here,
make a trench, like outside of the cactus.
Okay. I still have not collected much. I only got 8 saplings for that. I haven't even gotten a single stick or what should I call it? Wait, so a mattock is an axe and a pickaxe, right?
Axe, shovel, hoe.
Yeah,
All in one. So like do... I would say like 2 by 2.
Too deep, I assume.
2 deep and then 2 wide.
This is not a shovel. If it is a shovel, it's a really bad one. That's what I would say. I think this is a pickaxe and an axe.
A mattock?
Yeah. Well, it's at the very least not a shovel because I'm
okay,
not.
it's probably gonna be. It's probably an axe. I might be. No, wait. It should be a shovel.
Should be really
Should
because
be.
I'm mining at the same speed. I'm mining at the same speed if I were to just
Right. Actually, oh, I made a mistake when making that. Okay, that's on me. That's on me. I should have made it out with out of sticks. Never mind.
Well, we learned for next time.
I can change it. I can change the handle to make it faster.
You need mine, or are you just gonna make a brand new one?
I'm gonna need yours.
I mean, here. I don't know where the entrance to them.
Here.
I'm burning. I need to go inside.
Yeah. Okay.
Man,
So,
I'm about to overheat. So, wait,
Yeah.
there's water here. Is this fine?
Oh.
This is gonna save me.
oh my God, there's water. Oh, let's go.
Sir, this is my place. Get out. No, why you do this?
Ah, yes, more piss to stand in.
Okay, I'm just gonna here. I'm gonna. Hello, I can't get out of this water. Well, that's great. So here you go. Here's the.
Actually, no. Go ahead. I'm gonna let you try it instead of me babying you on how to do the things that you
I
should
need
also
to
learn
dig
how
the
to do.
trench unless you want to do that.
Well, you can dig the trench after you learn how to do tinker stuff, basic stuff. All right, go inside. You have sticks on you, right?
I gave you all my sticks.
Okay, cool. Here, come back. Take this. Go inside.
So I can just replace my current.
Yes.
whatchamacallit.
Okay, yeah. So what you're going to do is take every tool that you have, replace the handle with sticks, and you do that by going to the tool station. It's the one closest to the door.
So instead of a cactus tool rod, I put in sticks.
Yes.
I can't put in my tool in the tool station. It doesn't do anything putting the thing in the middle.
With sticks?
That.
Oh,
the
it does.
sticks goes in the middle, right?
It doesn't. It shouldn't matter.
Well, it doesn't pop up anything though, so I'm
Okay, so if it works with the sticks in the middle, then do it with the sticks in the middle.
Okay, no, it's a tool station, but I need the cactus part for it. What is it? The part like for the shovel and the shovel.
Wait, what? You're
No,
not
this is just
making a
something I
new
did.
tool. You're not making a new tool.
So wait, what am I making?
I'm just gonna make a makeshift door. I don't want to go around. Can I see the sticks?
They're all in here. I don't even know what the heck's happening.
Oh, okay. Here. Okay, so here, take the sticks. Go into the part builder, make a tool rod. Make 6 tool rods, actually.
Art, crafter, tool rod,
Make 6 of them.
that's a blade, wooden sword. That's a wooden sword blade.
Did you take out the part? Did you take out the
Yes.
blueprint? You can. There's the thing on the side. You can switch it out. You don't have to take it out manually.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Now I have 2 of them. Oh well. Oops. Okay, so this is what's the right one? Sword blade. That's not sword blade. I need the.
You have the blueprint in your hand.
Okay. Tool rod, right?
Make 6 of them.
Okay.
And then put the tool rods with your tools inside the tool station.
Ah.
And there you go. Ecological.
Yay. Wait, should I use the cactus longsword still, or are we making a new weapon?
You're not making a new weapon. You can still use the... You can put the tools inside. Put the tools in the center, and then it'll change the tool rod into wood, and then it should be faster.
1.4. I mean, it doesn't change anything. It gives it more durability, and I guess it's better. I'll just do it. I only have 2 tools on me right now, so...
Wait, did I not give you an axe?
You gave me a mattock, because that's an axe already, technically, right?
A pickaxe is what I meant to say.
That's a mattock, or is that... Oh.
It's a shovel and an axe, I swear.
It is a shovel. Yeah, I don't know why it's not mining the sand fast, then. What's the thing?
Skill issue.
Okay. We're gonna need to put that door down, so that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna be in this puddle of water for a bit. Oh,
We're 16 in. I am starving, but you know, I will make it. I'll be fine.
I'm gonna need to put one of these bottled waters right now.
Oh yeah, I should probably do that as well.
I'm conserving my water. I just had to drink it now because I was
I think
dehydrated.
you can fill the bottle, and there's no dirty water bottle or anything. It should be. You can just fill it with the pool water.
Over here?
You can fill it with the pool water.
Here, like I can
Yes.
just go here.
Yeah, you should be able to. There shouldn't be a
convenient.
dirty water bullshit.
Yeah. So
There's dirty water bullshit.
no, our pool of water is now gone when I did that. And yes, there is dirty water. Oh, what? Okay, something's glitching because like it's popping up right now, but it's disappearing from my inventory at the same time. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, so it might just be a client-side issue. So I would probably say, after this episode, maybe make a new make a new thing when you.
Yeah, I'll just download it and reinstall it. Right?
Yeah, I would say like reset the client. Make a new instance of it. See
Does that reset my progress? This thing is just not.
It won't, I believe.
Well, I'll put my stuff in the chest just to make sure. I'll test it with like a piece of wood. Or I'll test it with the book.
Worst case, I just cheated in for you, or if not, it
I'll
really
just put it
doesn't
in the
matter.
chest. I'll just make it easier. I'll test it with like some blocks in my inventory. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this mattock is unuseful for me right now, so I'm just gonna take the palm of my hand.
Yeah. I think once you get experience with it, you should be able to be faster with it.
Well, it says I'm comfortable. Oh no. Yeah, my assistant's yet. No.
You should be be able to get faster with it. All right. I have layered out the entire cactus area, so we should be fine. Oh, there's more piss. There's more piss for us to
on the
stand
zombies not being able to invade us?
in.
With the back
Once we get the trench done, we should be good.
We're not gonna finish the trench in time.
We will finish the trench when I say we finish the trench. And by that I mean I'm going to time set day until we finish the trench.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna take like, I want to say roughly 5 to 10 minutes to finish the trench, so
Alright, that's fine.
just a bit of breaking right now.
I don't think standing outside in a pool of water while staying outside is helping, so I'm gonna go inside and do that.
That helped a little bit. It stopped me from overheating, but now I'm starting to burn up again. Why do you say
I
I'm
can't
hard?
believe there was dirty water bullshit.
There is.
I can't
I
believe.
saw a dirty water bottle. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, I'm done.
We have to cook the bottles. That's. We have
Good.
to cook water. Wait a minute. Hold on. I think I figured out our food problem.
It's gonna hurt me more than anything else.
Angie, you remember drying racks, right, from Sevtech?
Oh, those stuff. Oh yeah, rotten flesh. You can dry those. Dried meat. Yeah, monster jerky.
Yeah, we get monster jerky now.
Yeah, even better.
Now we can alternate from rotten flesh to monster jerky.
It's better. Okay, you can't say it's not because it most certainly is.
Do we have more wood? Please tell me we have more wood.
I don't have any wood on me.
Okay,
I have
cool.
one piece of wood on me, which is not really helpful.
I mean, I have more, so we're good. We're fine. It's fine. Alright. I have made 8 drying racks. On top of the 2 I made, so total 10. Alright, cool. Drying racks have been made. I'm gonna still cool down.
I feel like it'd be faster if we made a shovel. Right now.
You know what? Yeah, let's just make a shovel. I don't.
Yeah, you need to get. Okay, I need that back. I'm like overheating every few seconds and then trying to cool myself off.
Okay, so we have technically we have 4 tools: a mattock, a pick, a sword of some sort, and then a shovel. Because apparently mattocks aren't shovels.
Yeah, I know it is a shovel. I read things. It's like shovel level is thinking, but
Yeah, that is exceptionally slow. Okay. Alright.
Where's the switch on? Parts
I'm
crafter.
making a shovel for you, Andrew, real quick. Hold on.
No, wait, I got you. No, I don't have the shovel thing. You have to cactus. I think I have.
Here.
No! I need cooldown.
Here. Take that. I also need to stand in the piss. You didn't take the cactus, I took it before you did. Here.
What the heck?
I'm
This game
standing in
hates
the piss now.
Game hates me, I swear. Okay, parts crafter, we need a shovel head.
Make 2. And then make 2 more tool rods. I don't know what else you need. You should probably check.
Does it matter if we use wood or logs versus planks for the part crafter? Or does it matter?
As long as it's any type of wood, it should be fine. But I would say use sticks. Sticks is more plentiful than planks, so.
I don't have any sticks. Should I? I'm just gonna.
Alright, I have 28 here.
You. Okay, should be good. Wooden tool. Oops. How many do you want?
Make 2 shovels for both of us so we can speed this up.
Tool station.
Oh, you need
I
a
need
binding, yeah. I'd say you can use cactus for that. As long as we have something that's wood and everything else is cactus, it's fine.
Okay, so I need to make the binding first, so I need to go back to the part builder and get the binding.
Yeah.
I can make. Should I make it all wooden or cactus for the binding?
You can make it cactus. Here, there's a binding pattern for you.
Yeah, I know. I see it. I see the binding. I already have it. All right. Tool station. Yep.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Here is yours. I'm going to now stand back up here again.
There's a sandstorm going on, so there's going to be more sand layers everywhere. It's going to be disgusting. Andrew, stop bleeding on the floor.
I can't do it anymore.
Andrew, stop bleeding on the floor.
Oh,
You're dirtying the blood. You're dirtying the piss water.
well, I can't help it if I'm constantly bleeding. Like, you know, I'm not necessarily in mid condition. You know, what exactly do you want from me?
For you to stop bleeding in the piss hole.
Well, there's nothing I can do about it. I'm just bleeding. Like, my cuts are not healing for obvious reasons. We definitely need a new food source. So,
Monster jerky is in the making. That's all I can say.
Oh, they're making! Give me! Give me. Give me. How do I get? How do I collect? Hello? I can't even interact with the drying rack. What the heck?
Well, I mean, we can end the
Oh, now
episode so you can change your instance.
Some of the drying racks I just can't interact with. What the heck?
Yeah, that's not normal.
Yeah, I'm gonna put everything I have in a chest. I'll use the copper chest.
You should be fine considering since you are the same player, it won't reset anything. And since it's a server side and not world side, you should be fine. But just for safety measures, I guess you can put it in a chest. Alright, we are ending the episode here, so see you guys in 2 weeks. Goodbye!